Hi, Raj.
Hi. Hi, Angela. How
Thank
are
you very much for attending our conference and our 5 Steps to RTO Success Workshop, so the last 2 days. What is the best part of the last 3 days that you have found?
It was a really eye-opener for me and for us, for my team, because we are new to RTO industry. And attending these 5 steps to RTO is really what we are getting ourselves into. And what are the expectations, the regulations, and just the running of RTO, because we come from a different industry.
Yeah, and having a better understanding of delivering, being a leader in an RTO.
Absolutely,
Yeah.
because as I said, you have to work on your business rather than working in your business. So I think that's really important.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, and scheduling that time
Yes,
aside.
yes.
And what about today at the conference?
Oh, that's another, I wish we could have done that before.
Yeah.
And hearing from the speakers, all the speakers were like really wonderful, and they have expertise in their own field. So it just overall gives us a perfect understanding of what are we getting into. To be a successful RTO operator.
Excellent, it will be.
Yeah.
Because particularly when you're our members, and
Yes.
we'll be able to look after you. So thank you very much for attending the conference today.
Thank
and
you.
I look forward to catching up with you again soon.
Thank you, Angela. Thanks for having us.
Thank you. Bye.